Hello friends, Kevin here, and the one place that is not terribly under construction at the moment is Chinatown. So we're going to be showcasing some great eats, some wonderful places to snack, and maybe do a little walking tour. So join us. To Chinatown we go.
I ain't tryna play games with your girl. Honest, you are not a side character. Every day after day, I tryna go out my way, 'cause I wanna secure you. Oh, I wanna see you every night after.
Arguably the best banh mi in the city. Folks, join us on stop one of our Chinatown adventures. Let's go. Fresh baked bread, pungent cilantro, grilled lemongrass, pork, all behind the beaming glass counter. $6, cash only, arguably the best possible banh mi that you can get. Folks, you pop in, you get one of these bad boys, and make sure you get it spicy. Look at that. You got the pate, you got the ham, you got different kinds of meat, the pickled radishes, the daikon, the carrots, and the chili peppers in here. Look at these chilies. These chilies still have their seeds. Woo! Bursting with flavor in every single bite. Stellar banh mi. Here in Chinatown, stop number 1. Stop number 2 is Epicerie Mon Lok. Folks, this place is incredible and an iconic landmark for foodies. You can buy them whole or have them chopped up to take home. All these ducks are just swinging in the windows and that skin is glistening. They chop them in half, serve it on a bed of rice. Unbelievable. If you're visiting Chinatown, this is stop number 2 and it's a must. Just like the last place, this place is a grab and go. There's absolutely nowhere to sit, nor do you want to sit there because there's so many people going in and out at all times. Look at that duck. Folks, for $14 you can get this full plate and this duck is glistening with juices. Topped it off with a little bit more of that fat that was coming off of that duck. Look at that. It just shines. So fatty. And juicy, and so flavorful on that little tiny bed of rice. Look at that. $14 for this. Unbelievable. Look at that. Juicy duck. The skin. So good. And the aroma. Excellent. It also comes with this little sauce on the side. It's a very sweet sauce for the duck. Dip a little piece in there. Pull out that duck and that sweet sauce. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Look at all this duck. Beautiful shiny skin. A duck leg, duck wing. Stop number 3 for me would be Macau. Macau is a staple. I've been coming here for quite a long time. Beer is affordable, drinks are affordable, and it's just this tiny little, I'd say like a sports bar because they're constantly just showing sports on the television. It's a nice little spot to gamble a little bit and, you know, have a drink or two where it's not too expensive like some of the other spots around here. Lucky for me, I won a little bit here. So this video is completely paid for by that little fruit machine. Let's go! Stop number 4 is the Dragon's Beard candy spot. This place is a staple. It's a little tiny hole in the wall, but you can spot it by trying to find the cha time. Turning sugar dough into long white strands that looks like a white beard. Dragon's candy, everybody. There it is. The sugary threads. Inside is supposed to be peanut, coconut, sesame. Oh my goodness. The strands melt apart instantaneously. And then you're left with all that peanut. It's so good. Comes in a pack of 8 for $6. That's a good treat. That's a damn good treat right there. Dragon's Beard candy. And the Maltese. Actually, get the Maltese. Taste a bit of the coconut in there. It's very nice. It's all handmade there. Dragon's Beard candy. A must when visiting Chinatown. Stop number 5, Harmony Bakery. Pâtisserie Harmony. This place is so good. It's small though, so be prepared to be cramped to get these delicious, wonderful buns and treats over here at Harmony Bakery. The ordering process here is simple. You grab a tray and then you go around in a circle to pick all the little treats that you want. I am here for the tarts, I am here for the curry buns, and I am here to stuff my face. Wonderful, wonderful selection. So many breads, so many sweets, so many chocolate tarts, and look at that little bear. Look at the little bear. That Oreo bread would have been a bit too much, but I kind of regret not picking it up. And it's so affordable. Everything here is like less than $4 and huge. When in Chinatown, don't forget to pick up some Harmony Pâtisserie. That's right, I got myself a curry bun. Everybody knows that I love curry buns. I got myself a Japanese tart. Folks, let's dig into this. This place is an absolute grab and go, and there's no seats anywhere nearby, so I'm perched up on a ledge over here. I got my Mr. Brown coffee, which can be found at any of the stores here. $2.50. And here is this giant beef curry bun. Rip open into the top of this. Ooh, it is fluffy. You can see the curry beef already on this thing. Unbelievable. Oh. That is soft. The yellow curry. The beef. The beef and the curry just mix so well. And the bun. Soft, pillowy, flaky. That is a dang good bun. Curry and beef. That's all you need. Big bread. Delicious.
Texture's so good.
The cheese tart. Look at that. They did it justice. This thing looks absolutely incredible. Nice little shell on there. That's a nice cheese flavor. It's not too sweet. It's actually very, very similar the ones that I've had in Japan at Palos. How about over here? Very, very nice. Solid cheese flavor. Excellent. We took a little walk and we stumbled upon this place here, which is kind of like a bootleg arcade. None of these cabinets were legit. None of them. Absolutely none of them. The prizes weren't legit either. And yeah, the screens were just kind of jittery. So whatever ROMs that they were using weren't optimized whatsoever. This is just like a multi-cab, and I think they're charging like $2 a game to play on a multi-cab full of ROMs. I don't know. This is just like not a spot that I support, nor would I put any money into. It caught our eyes because we thought this was a legit arcade, but alas, it was not. Forget this place. Walk past it. That's just it's just a bad arcade. None of the cabinets are real cabinets. And there's just like 2-in-1 cabs. For $2, I guess you could play a round of Marvel vs. Capcom 2 that might lag a little bit because it's just a ROM file. Don't go to the arcade here. Don't spend your money on that. Don't support piracy. Let's go eat some more food. Right next to the G&D Marché, which is a supermarket, there is this hand-pulled noodle spot called Lanzhou. And this place is incredible. They pull every single noodle to order, and it always comes out delicious. Folks, these guys are pulling noodle all day, and it's wild. You can catch them pulling their noodle right outside the glass all day, every single day, until the nighttime. This place is an absolute must and one of our final spots here in Chinatown. Let's go inside. And just remember to come here early because this place gets a line real quick. The atmosphere is absolutely cozy. They have some table seating on one end of the restaurant, and on the other side they have the bar stools. We initially started at the bar stools, and then they moved us over to the air conditioning. This place opened up in 2014, and boy, am I amped. The menu's tiny and the place is cramped, but I'm excited to be eating here. Look at the photos on the menu. Look at this menu. Small menu, yes, but absolutely terrific. Master of everything. Starting with our appetizer, we got the pickled cucumbers. This pickled cucumber salad is spicy and it has a little bit of peanuts on there and some Szechuan peppers that'll make your mouth go absolutely numb. And the crunch factor. Ooh. The cucumber is so fresh. And there's like a hint of chili crisp on there. And the peanuts on top. So crunchy. Kevin here. There was a crying baby behind me, but basically what I'm saying here is you get 2 different levels of crunch here. 1 from the cucumber, 2 from the peanuts, and then it adds all together into just this delicious, wonderful flavor in your mouth. My mouth has gone numb from the peppers. I'm super thankful that they moved us over because this area was air conditioned, and then the soup arrived. The cilantro, the onions, the peppers, that tea egg. Folks, this is the small, and the small is absolutely huge. That broth is just making my mouth water watching the playback, and I can't recommend this enough. This was the original. This is the small. The small is the entire size of my body. Folks, when you come here, expect large portions. I see people come here to try to tackle the large. It doesn't work out. Small is the way to go. And we asked for medium spicy, and there's an absurd amount of Szechuan peppers here. They take their spice seriously here. Try out the broth first. The broth is so rich. Amazing beefy flavor on there. And the pieces of beef on here. This one's just covered in peppers. Unbelievable. Would you look at that? Melt in your mouth tender. Insane. You also get to choose what type of noodle you get here. We decided to go with the medium-sized noodle, and everything is hand-pulled to order. You can see them in the front pulling the noodles. More of the footage over here. Perfect texture. Medium. And then we got the tea egg. The black tea egg. Look at that marinade. Delicious. Excellent tea flavor. Salty. Every single bite here. Incredible. Incredible.
Do is wrap your daikon in their beef, dip it in the broth.
So that's the noodle spot. Now on to our last final stop. Folks, I need a bubble tea and I need a dessert, so we are going to go get an absolute gem of a bun. A green tea bun and a bubble tea over at this spot over here. Right next to the Pâtisserie, you could find the Bao Bao Dim Sum spot. And this spot is absolutely adorable. Oh my goodness, they have so many different themed buns over here. You can see Doraemon, they normally have Hello Kitty and Rilakkuma, and little hedgehogs and pandas. Each one with their own distinct flavor. They sell crispy fried chicken here, they sell dumplings, they sell pretty much everything here, but I'm here for dessert. We are here at Bao Bao Dim Sum, and this place is absolutely adorable. Look at this frog. Look at this frog, it's so squishy. This is a green tea and red bean paste filled bun. We're gonna just crack this open down the middle. Oh my goodness. Look at all that delicious red bean paste in the middle of this thing. I'm gonna put this back together. Oh no, let's go back together. Okay. Okay. We also picked up a bubble tea as well. So I'm gonna do the wrapping on this. Just so fresh, just falling apart. The green tea bun is packed with flavor. It's so sweet. The green tea bun is so fluffy. And that red bean paste. So sweet. And it's more of like a texture thing. Fantastic, fantastic. I definitely recommend these buns. And they're affordable.
We also got the classic milk bubble tea. The bubbles are still warm. The milk is cold. Delicious.
It is made with milk, and I'm extremely lactose intolerant, so I'm just gonna have a sip. Really refreshing. Pairs well with the bun. And I instantly need to go to the washer. You made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for joining us across this food tour of Chinatown in Montreal. Folks, I got myself some Japanese tarts to go, half of my bao bun to go, and a bunch of other snacks to go. For more fast food, travel, gaming, and more, hit that subscribe button. Also, we got like a 4K walking tour of Chinatown over here, where you get to hear all the nice sounds of Chinatown. Bye for now.